Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So yesterday I discussed about data table, and before that I also explained you briefly what does row function do. So I'll just give you a recap. So row function creates a single row table with multiple columns, whereas data table you can create your own table with your own data, static data with you can, and it multiple rows and multiple columns can be created with the help of data table. So one more concept I'm gonna teach you today is nothing but your generate series. This series you can think of your 9-10 standard mathematics. So multiple things can be done with this. So let's directly jump in and show you how to do it in Power BI or how to generate series in Power BI. So generate series, I would say I'll give the keyword as generate series. And generate series, it will take a start value and end value as your input, and then the increment value, like how much do you want to increment from x to y? What is the incremental value you want? Let's say x is 1 and y is 3. So and you want to increment by 0.5. So the from 1 to 3 it will go as 1.5 to 2.5 to 3. So that's how a series is generated. If you look at the syntax, it will tell you it returns a table with one column populated with sequential values from start to end. Let's not spend too much time on this and quickly jump in. Let's say I want my start value as 10 and my end value as 50, and I want it to be incremented by 5. So you see it will be 8, 10, 15, 20, 30. That's how the series will be created, and it will be a single line, or you can say single column with multiple rows, as it mentions in the syntax. You can also play around with, like, let's say I want 100 to 5,000, let's say, and the sequence would be of 500. So this is very handy when you like work with multiple data manipulation, or you can say you have a extrapolated data, you want to join a data, or you can do some exploratory data analysis. That's how the generate series works. So you can explore and have your hands on this topic. So that's all for the uh, basic advanced concepts of Power BI. One more concept is remaining, which is known as data constructor. I'll discuss with you the same tomorrow. That is one interesting concept. So if you do like my channel, please subscribe and comment or hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you guys.